The homolographic projection has the correct representation of area. Atacama Desert is in Chile. The latitudinal differences in pressure delineate a number of major pressure zones which correspond with zones of climate. The hazards of radiation belt includes deterioration of electronic circuits, damage of solar cells of spacecraft, adverse effect on living organisms. The Great Victoria Desert is located in Australia. The intersecting lines drawn on maps and globes are geographic grids. The light of distant stars is affected by the Earth's atmosphere and interstellar dust. The landmass of which of the following continents is the least? Australia. Without uh, latitudinal redistribution of heat, cycle of air circulation, global wind pattern, these are all similar terms. Without them, the equator would be much hotter than it is, while the poles would be much cooler. The habitats valuable for commercially harvested species are called seagrass bed. Which of the following is a tropical grassland? Savanna. With the disintegration of USSR in end 1991, comprised of 15 Union republics. The iron and steel industries of which of the following countries are almost fully dependent on imported raw materials? Japan. The temperature increases rapidly after ionosphere. The humidity of the air depends on temperature, location, and weather. The groundwater can become confined between two impermeable layers. This type of enclosed water is called Artesian. The largest glaciers are Lambert glaciers. The ionospheres include thermosphere and exosphere. The highest degree of concentration of mineral deposits are found in northeastern zone. The group of minerals chemically containing hydrocarbons is organic group. The iron ore mined at Bailadila is mostly hematite. The leading state in producing paper is West Bengal. The largest dune files are found in Middle East and North Africa. The Harmattan is cool, extremely dry wind that forms over the Sahara and blows westward or southwestward to the African coast. Wind that blows during the dry season from December to February, and tertiary wind that carry great quantities of fine dust from the Sahara. The largest gold producing country in the world is China.